Okay, I'm trying a drone flight in the snow. Mainly because I've never done it before. I wanted to wait until it stops snowing, but I'm going to be gone. Granted, I gotta make sure I watch some power lines. It'll probably still be snow tomorrow, so I may end up doing this again, but just in case we got rain or it melted, yes, that would mean the weatherman would have to be wrong. I thought I'd at least take a spin around here and take a look at what's going on. Okay, I did not narrate much during the original flight, maybe because I can't do two things at the same time, like pay attention to the screen and talk at the same time. So let's play some music and you can enjoy the snow ride. It gets a little interesting when I get around the house and such, but enjoy the look at the snow from above. It is kind of interesting, and stay tuned for all of our land management that will be starting here. Of course, it's raining now again, so we're set back farther, but as soon as the ground dries, we're gonna get to work.